Hello viewers, today our topic is the preparation and standardization of 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution, which involves 5 steps. These are reagent preparation, silver nitrate solution preparation, silver nitrate solution standardization, calculation and relabeling the tag. To conduct the experiment, we need a balance machine, burette withstand, conical flask, measuring cylinder, sodium chloride, silver nitrate and potassium chromate. Let's start. At first, we are going to the chemical preparation. For the preparation of 0.1 normal sodium chloride solution, bring necessary apparatus and chemicals like spatula, analytical grade sodium chloride, and volumetric flask. Now take weight of 0.584 gram sodium chloride. Transfer the sodium chloride into a volumetric flask of 100 ml. Fill the flask with distilled water up to the mark. Shake and mix the content to make a homogeneous solution. (0.1 normal sodium chloride solution is ready to use. For the preparation of potassium chromate indicator solution, just dissolve 5 gram potassium chromate into 100 ml distilled water. Now we will prepare silver nitrate solution. Take weight of 4.245 grams silver nitrate. Transfer the silver nitrate into a volumetric flask of 250 ml. Fill the flask with distilled water up to the mark. This is our expected 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution. Now we have to standardize the silver nitrate solution to know the actual normality. In this step, we will standardize the silver nitrate solution. Measure 10 ml of sodium chloride solution and transfer into a conical flask. Add 1 ml of potassium chromate indicator solution into the conical flask. Fill a burette with the newly prepared silver nitrate solution. Note the initial burette reading. Start titration of sodium chloride solution by liberating silver nitrate from the burette. Titration should be carried out with vigorous agitation of the flask. Red-brown color formation indicates the end point of the titration. Note the final burette reading. Now we are ready for the calculation. Normality of sodium chloride solution used in the titration is 0.1 normal. Volume of sodium chloride used is 10 ml. We can find the volume of silver nitrate solution used in the titration by subtracting the final burette reading from the initial reading, which is 9.7 ml. Now we have to find the actual normality of silver nitrate solution. Let's solve the equation given in the left side by putting the values from the right side of the board. By solving the equation, we get the actual normality of silver nitrate is 0.103 normal. Relabel the tag with the actual normality of silver nitrate solution.